Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for Panasonic top buffer board TNPA5340. Let me see if I have somewhere the board number. There it is. TNPA5340. This board, I'm sorry for the focus. This board is about to go to a customer on Amazon, and the reason for this video is to show them that the board is working and to protect ourselves against claims that it doesn't work when in fact does. We're running ahead. We're expecting that there might be another problem because very often when that board fails, the SC board also fails. And so there is a possibility that this board gets installed and the TV still doesn't work. I'm gonna mark that with something unique here, say this and that. And let's say a Q sign down there before I take the board out. Now this is the video of the TV. As you can see, there are no lines, no issues anywhere. I just made a video yesterday about a return buffer board that was indeed defective. When we were repairing it, we missed two pins that were shorted and were causing one very faint line. It was kind of hard to spot. I examined this very carefully. There is nothing like that here. And those things do happen sometimes, but very rarely with us. So this is not the case here. It definitely works. And most of the time when people complain that there's something wrong, it is either because they have horizontal lines, which is caused by improper insertions of those plugs, as I have explained many times in other videos, or simply because the TV still keeps blinking 7 times, which could be because of a number of reasons. The most common one that I have done here is just forgetting to plug the power cable the first time the TV gets powered on. And of course it blocks because there's no power to the SU board, and then when I connect it, it is still in the 7 blink protections mode because the main board remembers it. The TV needs to be disconnected, discharged, so that it forgets the blocking code, etc, etc. Of course, it may also be because that board is bad. Anyhow, we make those videos running ahead, trying to run ahead of problems. And a couple of days ago, I made a video for how to test a power supply board for sharp aquas. Before I send the board to the customer, sure enough, last night they opened a return case because the board did not change the behavior of their TV, which is of course because their board wasn't bad in the first place. We will handle those as they come. Again, for the time being, this is just to prove that this board is functional. Hope you have success. We can repair or replace that board as well. I believe we have them for sale, maybe not on Amazon, but at our website, and we definitely have a repair service. We've serviced hundreds of those. This is what was repaired. The usual failure on this buffer is the top shift register, the very top one, and you can see here how it's put together with translucent silicone as opposed to the original one from Panasonic. Our repairs usually last long continual live for life, or at least, okay, not for life, but I don't remember a buffer being returned to us after repair. Again, there might be returns because the TV doesn't work when the problem is here or something is not assembled properly. One thing that is very important, when you take the SC buffer out, make sure that you clean with a sandpaper or just scrape the rest of the buffer board, of the sustain board. Same goes for the buffer board up here and off the back of the panel itself. I apologize for the poor video. I'm against light source and this is why it's not working well, but hopefully this is clear enough. Thank you very much for watching and best of luck.